T-Mobile offers $380 off on Galaxy Watch Ultra once you sign up for latest service. Samsung offers incredible choices with its Galaxy series, and recently it astounded everyone with an adequately different wearable, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which offers amazing features that let it stand out among the other Android watches. Galaxy Watch Ultra is rich in features such as is equipped with an Exynos W1000 chip with 2 GB RAM, 32 GB onboard storage, elegantly rocks in an enlarged 1.5-inch AMOLED screen, and radiates premium vibes in a titanium display. It offers a 590 mAh threshold for enhanced charging, integrated with advanced sensors and more. Available just at $649.99. Best deals on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Here are a few outstanding deals on Galaxy Watch Ultra that will blow your mind. Get $350 off on Samsung in Best Buy. The South Korean tech giant is not offering any discount on the Galaxy Watch Ultra while if users want to trade in an eligible device. Users can get $340 off while buying it from either Samsung or Best Buy. At T offers $100 off. If users would sign up for ATT service, then they would receive $100 off the original price of the flagship wearable. This $100 credit will be provided every month and divided over a 36-month contract. Save $180 on Verizon. Users can save up to $180 on Galaxy Watch Ultra, as Verizon currently offers this huge discount while trading in an eligible device. This discount is also available for over a 36-month contract. Additionally, if you desire to get a bigger discount, then buy a 5G smartphone and receive $169.99 off the flagship watch. Get $380 off on T-Mobile. If you are looking for more than a $300 discount without any trade-in required, then T-Mobile has got your desire. It offers $380 off once you sign up for the latest service. However, you would be adhered to for around 2 years to pay the entire amount, as it will issue a credit over a 24-month contract on Galaxy Watch Ultra.